Hey YouTube, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. I just want to tell y'all, man, we're about to do something special right quick, all right? I'm doing this video because of one person. And if you guys go over and check out Keeping Up with the Joneses, all right? This is the reason why the video is coming forth today, because of Keeping Up with the Joneses. They are a YouTube channel, and I'm definitely going to leave their YouTube channel below for you guys to go over and check out their channel. I love cooking, Keeping Up with the Joneses. I'm telling you, y'all, great channel, y'all. And today, what we're going to do, and this is the reason why I'm doing it. Over there on Cooking with the Joneses, she was doing a live mukbang, and one of the statements that she said is that her husband ate banana sandwiches. And she said she think banana sandwiches are nasty. Right? Keeping Up with the Joneses. Y'all check them out. All right. So this is what I'm going to do for you guys right now. I'm going to do a banana sandwich. I love banana sandwiches. I do. I really do. I love banana sandwiches. So without further ado, I'm going to show y'all something right quick. How many of you guys, man, eat banana sandwiches? All right. First and foremost, comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you eat banana sandwiches. If anything. Now, I grew up on banana sandwiches. My mother, man, always used Miracle Whip, so this is my spread of choice, Miracle Whip, when it comes down to banana sandwiches. So I got 2 ripe banana sandwiches, right? And I got me some fresh bread right here. Now, here's something that I've never tried dealing with banana sandwiches: putting peanut butter on a banana sandwich. So this is definitely going to be something new. So I'm going to do 2 versions of a banana sandwich. One with Miracle Whip, which I do love. God knows I love. So I already know how this is going to taste. And I'm going to do this one with peanut butter. Some people call it Bananarama. I've never had it before. So there you go. All right. So now let's go ahead and get into this right quick. And for some of you guys, man, I'm going fishing today, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and eat these sandwiches before I even go fishing or whatever. So one thing that I do, I take my Miracle Whip, all right? Take my Miracle Whip, and I like putting Miracle Whip on both sides of my bread. And I spread it over there. Oh, yeah, I spread it on there real nice. And something about that Miracle Whip that got like a little bit of sweet, a little bit of tang to it. And to me, man, I love it. You could even dip your banana into the Miracle Whip, and I can eat it just like that. All right. So I take my banana, and she don't want to cooperate, but she gonna cooperate today. All right. So I take it, and I just go ahead and hit it off as such, right? Let that mud just fall right on into that sandwich, and get rid of my tray bag over here. Okay. Get rid of that peel. So as you can see, my banana sandwich is now ready. Bam. That's with the Miracle Whip. I know how that tastes. I'm going to kill that right quick. But this sandwich that I'm about to make, I don't know how it tastes. So, let me put the cap back on this. Excuse me for licking my fingers, y'all, but my sandwiches. All right. So, I don't know how this is going to taste. Some people say use crunchy peanut butter. And I'm not going to use this spoon, so I'm going to use another one. Some people say use crunchy peanut butter, whatever the case may be. I love Jiffy, and I'm not a crunchy peanut butter fan. And I'm going to take this bread. Yes, y'all. Love that right there, boy. But I don't know how that's going to taste. So, let me go ahead and open this up and get down in here. Now, with the Jiffy, I'm going to try to do it like I do. I put that on thick, y'all. I don't think I want to put it on thick. I'm going to thin that one out a little bit because I don't know how it tastes. But I don't want to waste no peanut butter either. And I'm going to put some on this side. All right. Now I'm going to take my peanut butter. Take my banana. They call this a Bananarama. Now, Keeping It with the Joneses got me into this shit, y'all. I'm finna lick that. All right, so This is what we're going to do. So, like I say, keeping it with the Joneses, my girl says she don't eat banana sandwiches. She think it's disgusting, but her husband loves it. I'm going to let her know right now. Tell your husband he cool with me. And she say he eat it with Miracle Whip. Tell him he cool with me, because that's my thing right there. I love a banana sandwich with Miracle Whip. So, I got 2 sandwiches. One with Miracle Whip, a banana sandwich, and one with Jiffy peanut butter. I know how this one tastes, so I'm not even going to dig into it. You feel me? I'm going to tear this one up today. Granted, I don't know how this tastes. This is the first time I've ever did this right here. All right? So, you're going to get my true opinion on this banana sandwich with peanut butter. I'm not going to sit here and try to pull nobody's leg and all this other kind of stuff, man. You're going to get my true opinion. Now, if you guys try this recipe, well, it's not a recipe, but if you try this sandwich at home, or if you like this particular type of sandwich, leave it in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the peanut butter and banana sandwich, or let me know what you think about the banana sandwich with Miracle Whip. If this is something that you guys, love to have. Jiffy peanut butter, Miracle Whip, banana sandwich. So I'm going to get into this right quick. So this is the peanut butter, if you can see. All right. And if you can look at it, y'all, look. All right. So let's see. I don't know about this, but I'm going to try it. Okay. All right. Look. All right. My true opinion on this sandwich. I'm going to keep it 100. Just to let y'all know. This is not my cup of tea. At all. No. This is not my cup of tea. I can't eat a banana sandwich with peanut butter. I'm sorry, y'all. This is not my cup of tea. This is not me. This is me right here all day, every day. Banana sandwich with Miracle Whip. See? Banana sandwich with Miracle Whip. I could eat this. I can't do that. No. Mm-hmm. 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 Y'all see me use my shirt because I ain't got no towel. Sorry. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's a sandwich. That's not a sandwich. That's a sandwich. This is good. This here, not so good. I wasted a good banana on that. I can eat a banana sandwich with this all day, every day, any day of the week. I can't mess with this, with a banana sandwich. No. So, here's my thing. You got some people who like banana sandwiches with peanut butter, okay? If that floats your boat, trust and believe me, I won't say anything bad about it or whatever, but it's not for me. You got some people who eat banana sandwiches with mayonnaise or Miracle Whip. I'm telling you off gate, man. To me, personally, that's one of the best ways of eating a banana sandwich. Then you got some people, like my girl, that's on Keeping Up with the Joneses, she don't eat banana sandwiches and she think it's totally gross. I totally respect that also. But at the same token, y'all, with me, I love a mean banana sandwich. All right, with that being said, y'all, I want y'all to check out my girl over there, man, at Keeping Up with the Joneses. Make sure you go over to her channel and hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button also, because I'm telling you, when she upload videos, man, with mukbangs and stuff like that, I love what she does over there on her channel, man. She is genuine to the core. When I say genuine, she is genuine to the core. There's no sugarcoating about her style or her attitude, and that's why I love her so much. Like that, I love her channel, y'all. I'm telling you, check her out. Now, here's another thing that I want to bring to the forefront before I close out on this video. All right, so I'm trying something new on my channel, y'all, and this is what I want to do. All right, last time I did this with a baked potato and chicken tenders, and I asked my YouTube subscribers, man, my YouTube family, Raymac family members, what ingredients do they think would pair up with the baked potato and the chicken tenders, fried chicken tenders. So I listened to some people and they gave me their opinion on what would pair up with it. I created the video. I gave a couple of shout outs on that video. So if you guys haven't checked out that video with the baked potato, after this video, go ahead and check out that video. I'm telling you, man, it's phenomenal. Now, I'm trying to do the exact same thing that I've done with that. And what I want to do now on this one, I got here some bread, and this is a French baguette. All right, it's a soft one. It's not no hard French baguette. All right, it's a soft one. And I got this, and then I have 2 smoked sausages. All right, and just to let you know what I'm going to end up doing, I'm putting these in the air fryer. All right, but I'm going to see exactly what you guys think that will go good with this smoked sausage sandwich. All right, so I got the French baguette bread and 2 smoked sausages. All I need you to do is comment in the comment section below and let me know exactly what you think that will go good with these items right here. All right, these 2 right here, smoked sausages and the bread. And then I'm going to look at some of you guys' ingredients, and I'm going to go ahead and incorporate those ingredients to these. And then when I post the video, I'm going to give you a shout out, letting you know exactly who ingredients I use to pair up with this here. So I'm going to try to do more videos just like this, because I want to add my family into the video of making recipes that is never done on YouTube. I'm going to try that, y'all. All right, so I want to say thank you guys for checking out Raymac's Kitchen and Grill. First and foremost, I say if you're not a family member of my channel, please hit that red subscribe button, and you'll become a part of Raymac family. And then hit that notification bell, so every time a video come up, you'll be notified of up and coming new videos. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you like exactly what you see. And if you have the time, go over and take time out to look at some of the videos that's already posted on my channel. And I want you guys to go check out Keeping Up with the Joneses. And I'm leaving a link below to their channel. And I guarantee you, you will love exactly what they got going on. So I say thank you for checking out this video. And I always say this at the end of my videos: love and not hate. Love somebody, but whatever you do, don't hate nobody. Peace.